How to enable auto fire feature in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In Undawn game, if you want to enable the auto fire feature so that you can make your shooting easier, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch open the Undawn game on your device. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu, click Settings from the bottom. Inside the Settings tab, go to the Firearms option from the left, and inside Firearms, look for the Automatic Fire option. Click on right under Automatic Fire, and right after you do that, you will be able to turn on Auto Fire feature. When enabled, your character will automatically shoot when the aim is locked on an enemy. If you are a beginner, then turning on the auto fire mode is gonna make your gameplay experience much smoother and easier. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.